This is my everyday carry multi-purpose toolkit. This thing lives in my backpack that goes with me just about everywhere. So the pouch itself is a Maxpedition EDC pocket organizer. And this thing, as you can see, is packed to the gills. There's really no more room in this bag. I love this bag. It's got MOLLE attachments on the back if you wanted to attach it to the outside of a pack. It's got a nice big grab handle so that when this is in my backpack, that I don't even have to look. As long as I know about where this thing is in my bag, I can just open the bag, reach in, find this handle, and the whole thing gets yanked out of my backpack. Really convenient. But let's go ahead and crack this thing open and see what all lives in here. This thing, like I said, is packed. So this kit basically is built around this right here. This is the Vim RFB 400. And what this is a quarter drive little mini flex head speed wrench. Super handy. It takes quarter inch bits basically. It's got a ton of different uses. This can act as an extension, so you can pop it in the end there if you wanted to have a really long reach. That acts as a regular ratchet. It's reversible. It's got a quarter-inch drive bit on the end, so if you wanted to use anything like little quarter-inch sockets, which I don't have quarter-inch sockets in here, I have other things, but this can do quarter-inch sockets. And then this handle or this extension can actually go, you line it up right, line that little mark there with the white dot, helps them if I'm actually lined up. That slides through, and now you have a T-handle, a speed T-handle that pivots around this part here. Really, really great tool, really handy. Like I said, the whole kit basically is built around the Vim RFB 400. To go with that, I have these. These are Klein's Impact flip socket sets. I got them in both standard and metric. Again, it's a quarter-inch bit, so with this I have the ability to have a real long extension on there to get into some tight places if need be. I can take that off and I can use it alone. But these things are great tools. I have a bunch of these. I got these in my home improvement bag that I keep. I have a set of these in there. I probably got 3 or 4 sets of these floating around in different toolkits. Really, really handy. These are great little socket set. Like I said, standard and metric goes from 7mm up to 14, and then from quarter-inch up to half-inch. Really handy, and it's a lot of capability in a small package, really. I also have another Klein tool. I'm kind of a Klein fan ever since I used to do work around with cell towers. I've been a huge fan of Klein tools. This is Klein's 13-in-1 little precision screwdriver set, and this thing has a bunch of different bits in the end, and then it's got a magnet there on that end. Now you have a double-ended bits and a really, again, compact and convenient packaging. This is the Klein 13-in-1 screwdriver set. These are Klein electrician, I think they're called like electrician shears. See, they're Klein Tools 2100-9. I don't know if you can see that there. These things, you can see they got wire strippers right there for 2 different gauges. These things can cut through a ton of different things. Thin sheet metal, these things can cut it. Wire, easy. Rumor has it that these things can actually cut through a penny. Never tried it. I thought about trying it now. Don't have a penny on me. But yeah, these things are great. This is probably the 3rd or 4th pair that I've owned. I think I've worn out 1 or 2. I've lost 1 or 2 when I was doing cell towers. These things are great scissors to have, cut through a ton of different things. Oh, to go along with those, not with those, to go along with the Vim, is just a set of different bits. I got some Torx bits, standard, some hex, Phillips, just a bunch of different bits. Who makes these? I can't make that out. I'll leave a link to these, like I said, down below. I know I have them saved somewhere. This is just a handy little bit set. It's got a few extra spots if I find other bits I want to throw in there. But that lives in there. Convenient again. I mean, you can get, with just this right here, you can get so much done. So, yeah. Again, Klein. It's always good to have a knife on you. I always have a pocket knife on me, but these Klein, I have the Milwaukee fastback version of this. Super handy. I decided for this kit, I was going to go with the Klein. It's got a replaceable, just regular utility blade, and then it has, again, another bit holder on that end. Use as a screwdriver. It takes 1/4 inch bit. You can put I could put the flip socket. I keep forgetting what these things are called. Flip sockets. You can go ahead and you can use them with that. It's got a lock there, which locks it open, which is nice. Kind of has a little detent there for the 90, so you can get some extra torque on it, but it doesn't lock in that position. It only locks in the full open. Kind of like the Milwaukee fastback. But again, super handy tool to have. Pry bars. These things come in really handy. I have a set of these in my carburetor toolkit that I'll leave a link to above. These things, I mean, sometimes you got to get in somewhere just to move something, or just give it a little oomph, a little extra something. Little mini pry bars are great for that. Little set of mini vice grips. I mean, who doesn't need vice grips? So many different uses. I also have the Work Pro water pump pliers. I really wanted to go with the Knipex set, but I didn't want to pay $100 for a set of 2 mini pliers, whereas I forget what these cost. A fraction of what the Knipex cost, and so far they've worked out really well. Been pretty happy with them. Little Work Pro water pump pliers, and then this is SK Tools. These are flat jaw pliers. Open up, and they open parallel. So yeah, just different sets of mini pliers, mini diagonal cutters. Never know, got to cut something. Plus, I do carry zip ties. And I specifically chose orange zip ties because, let's be honest, if I got to fix something like on the side of the road, I need a couple of zip ties to make a quick little repair. I want to be able to quickly find these zip ties so I can do a more permanent repair later. So the orange just kind of tells me, hey, dumbass, fix this. I also have on this side, attached to the little dummy cord, is a little flashlight and a keychain of 550 cord, just because you always should have 550 cord on you. And then I keep a Write in the Rain notebook right on it. So with that is a Sharpie and a pen. Other than that, there it is, guys. There's my little everyday carry toolkit. Really appreciate you guys for watching. Hit that subscribe, hit the bell. I'll see you on the next one. I was putting everything back together, and I forgot about these little Uncle Bill's sliver grippers. It's just some stainless steel tweezers, because having a splinter sucks.